welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maddie. Thank you so much for joining. Today I have not only one, but two pop in a box unboxings for you guys. I am so far behind with these guys, you have no idea. So I technically have March and April, February. Don't know where she went. So if I find it, I'll add it in the next one. So these are the two that I'm doing. They both are one pop in a box. So I will give you a quick little description about this company. So if you haven't seen any of my other pop in a box unboxings, I will leave them down in my Disney playlist for you to watch the rest of them. And basically what it is I get a one Funko Pop a month. So it is $14.95, I think, plus $4.99 shipping. So for me, it's about, I'm gonna say about $19, give or take. And basically what it is it's a huge website that sells not only Funko Pops, but other items as well in the Funko industry. And basically what you can do is you can sign up for it. I will have a coupon code down below if you use that link there. I am no way affiliated, but it does give me a percentage off of my boxes. And basically it just lets them know that you've come from my channel. And basically what you do is you create your profile. They have 1, 3, 6, 12, maybe 24 pops a month that you can do at a discounted rate. It's honestly amazing. And you go through the whole website, you thumbs up or thumbs down products that you would like. So then everything that you have thumbs up will be in one category. Everything that you've thumbs down or you did not want is blacklisted and you will not be sent those items. So I highly recommend if you do sign up to try and thumbs up as many pops that you would like. That way they're able to pick through what they have in stock and whatnot to be able to send to you. So I am a huge, don't know if you can tell, Nightmare Before Christmas, Haunted Mansion. I do the Disney subscription, so I am also sent Disney affiliated products as well, but I am mostly on the not so princessy side, more of the villains and the sidekicks. So like I said, I do have two Funkos at the moment, and I'm basically just gonna share with you them. So if you're excited to see what's in these boxes, then just keep watching. So I'm gonna start off with the March one. This came in like a weird box and it's also now open. So I have unfortunately seen what is inside. I won't show you the front, but it came with like this weird sticker on it and it was like thrown out my door, but you know what? Don't worry about it because what's inside I don't think is damaged. So if you can see, I have a Nightmare Before Christmas clown Funko Pop. He is a little dusty because you know he's been sitting on my shelf for a minute waiting for me to unbox this video. I guess waiting for me to film, not unbox. Same thing. Anyway, so this is number 452, the clown from Nightmare Before Christmas. He is not, I should say not. He does have damage in this corner up here, and I am a Funko in the box collector. I do not take them out of the box. So for me, the boxes I like to be a little bit better, but they just sit in the shelf. You can't really see, but up here is like all Funko Pops. I can show you in another video. Or if you'd like to see my Funko Pop, collection, I can show that in a video as well. But basically out of this collection, I was just waiting for, I think, the clown and Dr. Finkelstein. I could be wrong. I'm pretty sure I have everyone else in this collection, so I'm super excited to have this. This whole collection I have thumbs down because I basically had all of them, and then this guy was one that I thumbs up, and look, they sent me the one that I needed. So that's super great, and this is definitely a great item. I can't really find them anywhere. Hot Topic's a little bit hit and miss. Walmart I can sometimes find them, but they're like weird ones. Same with Michael's, so I love this subscription so much. So off the bat, this is a great start. And then next up is my, what are we, April? March, April. April subscription. I have not looked at this one yet. I have cut the tape. I have scratched off all my addresses, so unfortunately you guys can't come visit me at the moment. And like I do here on my channel, I will give you the first look. What do we have? What do we have? Who do we have? Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. This is Dumbo Fireman. So this must have been like a Disney exclusive that we got sent. I don't know if I've thumbs up this. I'm obviously not thumbsing down Dumbo. Hello, so freaking cute. So this is so cool, number 511. And it looks like there's Fireman Dumbo and Dreamland Dumbo. I would have been happy with either, but what's really cool is my dad's actually a retired fireman, so I might give him this. He collects all things that are firemen. Wow, this box, I have to say, is in pretty mint condition. There's not even scratching on the preview window. There's not even a dented corner. Like, I am really thankful for this box. This is amazing. So I have to say both months were a freaking hit. I love both of these. And honestly, I was not expecting this Dumbo one. That's like completely out of my like style that I normally collect them, but I do like having the Funko Pop exclusives and stuff like that, so definitely excited to have that. I may even give that to my dad. So thank you so much, Pop in a Box. I absolutely enjoy these. If you guys did want to sign up for your month's subscription, I will leave a link down in the description box below. Again, that will save you some money off your first purchase. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a huge thumbs up. If you aren't already, click that subscribe button before you leave, and I'll see you in another video.